Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. ZP results a shocker for BJP-led government. 25 seats to independent candidates. BJP alliance wins 25 seats. North rejects alliance. South gives simple majority to alliance. Public votes for independent candidates and party candidates equally. Politicos feel ZP elections should not have been on party lines. Voters send warning to ministers. Voting pattern humbles ruling alliance. Independent and Congress MLAs capitalize on anti-incumbency. MMDR Amendment Bill 2015 passed in Rajya Sabha. Bill replaces MMDR Ordinance. Bill says mines will be auctioned by state government, part of royalty for tribal welfare. And State Rugby Association conducts All India Conference and Referees Certification Program in Panji, envision India's entry to 2019 Rugby World Cup. Now the news in detail. ZP poll results are finally out. The polls held on party lines for the first time led to neck-to-neck results. Independent candidates have made a good mark in the elections. Total 25 seats have been won by the independent candidates. BJP, MGP, GVP too has won 25 seats. In North, independents won 13 seats while BJP, MGP touched 12 seats. In South, it was 13 seats for BJP, MGP, GVP alliance and 12 seats for the independents. North Goa rejected alliance whereas South Goa passed them with simple majority.
Santa Cruz constituency Savannah Arauzo independent, Taligaon Sydney Barreto independent, Chimbel Sandeep Vernekar MGP, Korli Janita Madkaikar independent, St. Lawrence Daku Madkaikar independent. In Pedne Taluka, for Aramwal constituency, Arun Bankar of BJP, Morji Srimati Manjrekar independent, Dhargar Tukaram Harmalkar independent, Todshe Ramesh Savar BJP. In Bicholi Taluka, Latamwar se Sanjay Shetye independent, Karapur Sarvan Ankita Navelkar BJP, Mahe Shankar Chodankar BJP, Pali Shubhecha Gaus independent. In Sattari Taluka, Honda Saraswati Wadkar independent, Keri Fatigaokar independent, Nagargaon Premnath Hazare independent, Kolwale Govind Kubal BJP, Aldona Gokuldas Halankar BJP, Sukur Vaishali Satardekar independent, Rejmagos Rupesh Naik BJP, Pena de France Gupesh Naik independent, Shioli Sanisha Toraskar BJP, Shirsai Diksha Kanolkar BJP, Anjura Vasudev Korgaokar BJP, Kalangut Sean Martins BJP. Moving towards south, in Ponda Taluka, Usgaon Ganje Jnaneshwar Naik independent, Betki Khandola Babita Gaukar MGP, Kurti Mohan Verekar MGP, Wailing Prior Shivdas Gaude MGP, Kaure Chitra Fatte MGP, Bori Deepak Borkar BJP, Shiroda Jaydeep Shirodkar independent. In Murgaon Taluka, Sankhwa Gilbert Rodrigues independent, Kortali Antonio Vaz independent. In Sange Taluka, Rivan Navnath Naik BJP. In Dharbandoda, Sawadde Suvarna Tendulkar BJP, Dharbandoda Govind Gaukar BJP. In Kepeshelle, Perpetual Fernandez BJP, Barshe Kushali Velip independent. In Salsit, Raya Fatima Gaukar GVP, Nuwe Babashan alias Wilfred Disa independent, Kolwa Nelly Rodrigues GVP, Whaley Mansi Rodrigues independent, Banauli Maria Rebello independent, Daoli Ullas Tuekar BJP, Girdoli Minakshi Gaukar independent, Kurtori Clafasio Dias independent, Naveli Edwin Cardozo independent, and in Kankorn, Khola Shanu Verip independent and Paingin Pushpa Ayya BJP. While the alliance needs a magic number of 13 on both ZPs to form a ruling panel, here is a final tally. In North Goa, BJP MGP 12, and independent got 13 seats, total of 25. And in South Goa, BJP, MGP and GVP got 13 seats and independent 12, total of 25 seats. However, the arithmetic of ruling panel is still unpredictable, as the new ZP law amendment with provision of party lines has no provision for anti-defection. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Politicos have fought the ZP elections on war footing. Public have voted for the independent candidates and party candidates equally. Politicos still feel that ZP elections should not have been conducted on party lines. Newly elected ZP members say they would work for the development of their constituency, but as per the wishes of their patron. Have a look.
की आम्ही पावर्स वाडयतले म्हणून आता एकाद्री समज हाजेरूय यू टर्न जाता जाल्यार आनी इल्लें लोकांक तें दिश्टी पडटलें ताजे प्रमाणे आमी फुडलो स्टेप घेतले.
I am setting up an office now in Chimbel, another 8 days time, and I am sure to recover the lost trust.
आमचे तशें मगोचे आमकां कांय सहकार्य जालें ना, उलट तांचो खूब त्रास आमकां जालो.
I would definitely expect more support from my party in Talegaon. Many officers need to be transferred. We need support towards that. We need good officers in place.
This is a vindication of the stand of the people of Goa that elections should not have been fought on party lines. In other words, the BJP tactic to hold the election on party line has boomeranged.
आरोप करपाक खूब केले तेजेर आरोप आमी चलना आनी हांवें तुका पयलीं सांगलें आमी एडवान्स सांगिल्लें तुका आमी जिखताय म्हणून आज आनी फ्युचर जर तरी बॅलेटाचेर तरी इलेक्शन जावं जायत बीजेपीचो दुबजा जावं
पार्टी म्हणून काम करपाक जाय आमी आनी इंडिव्हिज्युअल म्हणून न्हू. ह्या आमच्या सालिगांव मतदारसंघान जे दिलीप परुलेकर आहा तेजो इगो चड वाडलेलो आहा.
I am forced to be BJP because support BJP because I am supporting the government.
Of course, I'm not happy. I'm definitely not happy because I am a BJP MLA to Tulsidas Naik. Frankly, the less said, the better. Because he's a man who knows no boundaries as far as lying and fabricating is concerned.
जे कार्यकर्ते आमचे खातीर वावरताले हांकां दिसतालें की लीड एक्सपेक्टेड लीड आमकां मातसोय दुबाव नासलो. ज्या तरेन आमच्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी काम केलां तें पळयत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता ही लीड कमी अशी दिसता आनी इल्लीशी वाडपाक जाय आसली.
दाखयला न्हू लोकांनी आमी युतीच्या फाटल्यान आसा म्हणून.
डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणून तें हांव सराक हें ब्लेसींग आहा आनी हांव मॅडमीको ब्लेसींग मागों वयतलो म्हाका सपोर्ट करता.
Mr. Kaitu, he has gone openly door to door, kneeling and begging people to work against me. But it is shame for him that this shows his stand for his next 2017 election, where he stands.
डेव्हलपमेंटाच्या हितून आमी सदांच आसतली लोकां पर्यंत आमी सदांच आसतली लोकां बरोबर.
अर्जुआ जिल्हा पंचायत मेंबर आसतना 1.5 कोटीची कामां केल्ली आनी त्या कामाचें फळ थंय आसूंक आसतलें कित्याक ते कामां करता आसतना ऑटोमॅटीक ते वटेच्यान प्रचार जाल्लो की कुमारजावन बरी कामां केला.
ह्या विजयाचें श्रेय संपूर्ण भारतीय जनता पक्षाक.
खंय त्रुटी आसात, कसल्यो त्रुटी आसात, खंयच्या गांवांत खंयच्या पंचायत क्षेत्रांत किंवा खंयच्या बुथाचेर आमकां अपेक्षे प्रमाणे यश मेळ्ळें ना किंवा अपेक्षे प्रमाणे स्कोर जालो ना, तेचो एक अभ्यास करपाक म्हाका दिसता ही निवडणुकीचो बऱ्या पद्दतीन उपयोग जातलो. जिल्हा पंचायतीक ज्यादा अधिकार दिवपाची जी आवश्यकता आसा आनी मागणी आसा ती म्हाका दिसता हे फावटी फुडें व्हरपाक सोंपी पडटली. कारण पक्षीय बांदिलकी आसा आनी मित्र पक्षांक जे आघाडी सरकार चलयतात तांची दोनूय ठिकाणी जिल्हा पंचायतीचे अध्यक्ष हे आमचेच जातात. एकीकडे एक कमी आसा पूण जे अन्य आयिल्ले आसात ते सगळेच इंडिपेंडंट आसात. ते खंयच्याच एका पक्षाचे ना आनी त्यामुळे तांच्या भितरूय स्पर्धा आसा सरकारा बरोबर रावपाक.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.